Yo, another trip today. You know, I've heard a lot of people comment, and I've even seen a few videos made about how bad China's facial recognition technology is. Wonder how that's working out today. Yeah, I'm guessing the facial recognition technology maybe put on hold for now, I'm guessing. Okay, so the trip today, I'm making a trip to DJI Flagship store. Probably pass, it's like 37 kilometers from here. I'll probably pass, I don't know, 3 or 4 of the smaller stores or other stores where their products are available even. Many more. But I've heard the flagship store is supposed to be an experience itself, so thought I'd head down there and check it out with you. One question I have is, are they going to allow me to video in the store? Which I think it'll be hard for them to argue against, considering I'm using the DJI device. Osmo 3, I think it's called, or whatever. Gimbal. So I'll go down there, check that out. I also have maybe an opportunity for them to have a look at or explain why my gimbal sometimes drifts. So I'll see you when we get there. Okay, so you get out at Exit E, Shenzhen Bay Park Station, Line 9. And you're right there. I must say, the building seems to have kind of a odd shape to it. It's interesting already. I don't know, they got a little flower shop out front or something. It's kind of taken away from the look, in my opinion. And it breaks, they can't see out the window there. Anyway, yeah, right off the bat, the building itself, very interesting shapes. Yeah, I'm not sure what this little shop is. It's not open, whatever it is. So I'm wondering if they had the building built and designed it themselves, or they just rented a place that was already built here. It's kind of an interesting shape. I think everyone knows DJI is the biggest supplier in the world of drones and drone technology, and located here in Shenzhen, or started here in Shenzhen. Head office in Shenzhen, and this is their flagship store in Shenzhen. Okay, I see security inside the front door there has already spotted me. See if I can get in with the camera. Take a look. We got in here in DJI. Doesn't look like it's busy. Yeah, a tiny drone. robots. professional drones. That'd probably be kind of expensive. Yeah, these things aren't particularly cheap. This is 550 bucks for this set here. Look at the real pro stuff here. Heavy duty. Well, this stuff here, they don't even put prices on it here. Obviously, not many people coming in to buy it. This one looks like a engine of a weed whacker on it. And I'm guessing that must be a gas tank. A huge drone. Oh no, that might be spraying fields. Crop dusting. So maybe put chemicals in there. Still very professional. Oh yeah, it's a sprayer. Got the spray pods on here, so that's spraying for crops. Something the city might buy. Also, it doesn't have a price tag. I think it's got at least 3 cameras. 2, 3, 4, 6. I don't know if they're also cameras, I think. So you can get a 360. Nice drones. Okay, so this one's $100 bucks. Oh, there's the tiniest one. I don't even know if you can see it in the picture. I think this one's about $100 bucks. This one's about 150. Tello. Yeah. I'm surprised it's not busier. Maybe it's because of the prices. I expected it to be a little bit more like an Apple store. You know, where you go in there and there's a crowd of people. But there's only one other person shopping that I can see. Which I'm not sure if I'm going to be shopping. I'd like to get me one of these, I think. $24.99. This is the one I'm using right now. Professional camera stabilizers. Used probably by highest level of movie making, stuff like that. And it looks like they have a GoPro style camera. Okay, here's Pocket 2. Is it the same price? Oh, it's the same device. There must have been a Pocket 1 before that. This thing, I'm not even sure what it is. What is this? Just a shema.
Accessory of the Pocket 2.
Oh, okay. This is a speaker?
No, it's charging case.
Oh, cool. Interesting. What's this one do?
Waterproof case.
Waterproof case.
Yeah.
Oh.
Which one?
This set.
That's not a set.
Oh,
you need to buy
each one.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Okay, that's pretty cool that you can actually get the, you can get gimbal. You can get this one to go underwater. With that set over there. That's quite interesting, I think. This one does, what's this one do?
Extension row. Extension.
Oh, okay, okay. And you can still operate here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this one that I'm using, I can put an extension, but I can't do the buttons.
Yeah.
Okay, gonna go up to the Swift Service Center here at DJI. I think. Okay, they don't have anything particularly fancy in the elevator. Okay, so the guy tells me that the drift on my gimbal is normal depending on the mode that I'm using. Give me a little lesson there, so maybe I'll be able to use it better in the future. Okay. Oh yeah, DJI owns Hasselblad now, I think. Lenses. Best lenses I think there are. Not that I know a lot about lenses. I have to say I'm totally not impressed with their DJI Flagship store. I mean, the building design is cool and everything. But for a company that has 80% of the drone market in the world, I have to say I was not impressed. And it's like me and one other customer in there. I saw a couple of reviews somewhere, said it was supposed to be a cool experience to go to the DJI store, but just wasn't that awesome. I think I'll probably buy the Pocket to use sometimes, but I don't think I'll buy it today. So I'm not going to recommend to take the trip unless you're in the neighborhood. It's not that impressive. There's more people working there than there are visiting, which is kind of weird. It's right here at the OCT Harbor. So, like I said, check it out if you you're in the neighborhood. But otherwise, one of the small stores would be just fine. Probably has availability for all the products. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.